Hello dear students, I am Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapeeth Residential School Shivpuri, and I welcome you to watch my channel regularly. Okay, so today I am going to teach you apparently and clearly about how to write a letter, because writing a letter is an art. Okay, everybody cannot write a letter so clearly and so attractive, so nice. Okay, so if you want to learn how to write a letter so attractive, so that the officer can be influenced to see or to read your letter, so this is an art through which you can attract or you can make an higher officer in your favor. Okay, so I am going to explain you so clearly how to write a letter to the higher officer. Okay, and formal letter. You know very well that there are two types of letter, formal and informal. So formal letter will be explained you and you will understand everything so clearly and apparently. Okay, now let us study about how to write a letter. Now come to, you can write here, means at the top, the left side of the page, you can write the sender's address. For example, I am saying here, you can write here sender's address. Sender's address you can write at the top of page, at the left side you can. Okay, so next step you can, for sender's address means writer's address. Suppose I am writing a letter to the collector, so the address of mine should be written here. For example, I am living in Saraswati Vidyapeeth Residential School, so I will write here SBP Shivpuri MP. Well, and if you, whatever you know, your ward number also, house number also, locality name, so you can write here. Okay, sender's address. Sender's address you can write here. Second thing is that you can write here date. You can mention date here. Okay, below sender's you can mention date. So date is very essential part or element of letter. So without a date we cannot estimate or we will not understand the date or time of the letter when was written. So we will not understand without mention date. So date should be written, means suppose we are writing letter today, so date of today should be mentioned there. For example, we are writing letter today, so we can mention here today's date 15 July 2020. Well, next is you can write here receiver's address. Okay, you can write here receiver's address. Receiver's address you can mention here. Receiver means, suppose we are writing a letter to the SP of the city, so SP is the receiver, and or you can, in other words, we are writing a letter to the collector of Shivpuri, so collector will be receiver of this letter. Okay, so we will write address of collector also here. Suppose collector of Shivpuri, so we can write here the collector or collector Shivpuri, collector you can write. Okay, here address you can write. So the collector Shivpuri MP, just like you can write here, or SP Shivpuri, just similarly you can write here. Okay, so receiver's address you can write here. Next thing is that we will write salutation. Or before this we will have to write a subject also. Subject we should write here. Subject should be mentioned clearly, because without subject the higher officer will not understand our problem. What is the problem? For what the letter has been written. So they will not understand. So subject is compulsory. And shortly or in a briefly you can say that in short time he will understand your problem. To see the subject. So subject, because the higher officers have no sufficient time, so they see at a glance what is the problem. So they see mostly the subject. What is your subject? What is your matter? What is your problem? So that should be written clearly, because subject is so very important part or very important element of letter. So try to understand. Write always subject. Without subject never write letter. Otherwise your letter will be thrown into dustbin. No use of that letter. Okay, next step you can write here sir, or sir or respected sir. You can write it. Okay, respected sir also you can write. Respected sir, or madam may be also. It may be madam also. Sir or madam you can write. Okay. So next step you can write here after this one, body of letter. Body of letter means contentment. You can explain your problem in the form of body, you can see that. So you can explain your problem briefly in some lines. That is called body. And you can start this letter with due respect, sir, respectfully, I have to say that. So any problem if you have, okay. So and so any problem, whatever you have. So you can write problem. For example, I am saying, I have lost my bike. Or in other words, you can say that my bike has been stolen from the bank. Okay, so this is very interesting. So you can write here in body, my bike was standing before bank. So when I was working something, I was doing something in a bank. During that time, my bike has been lost. My bike has been stolen. So I would like to draw your kind attention towards this problem. And I would like to request you to take action against the stealers or the, you can say, thieves. Okay, and lastly you can add, you write thank you. Lastly you can write here thank you. After body you can write thank you. Okay, you can write here thank you. Lastly you can write here your name. Your name. Your sincerely you can write. Your sincerely or your faithfully you can write. Your faithfully. Lastly, your name. Whatever your name you can write. Suppose you are Makhanlal or Makhan Singh. Makhan Singh, or so this is very interesting way how to write a letter. Okay, in my next video I will explain you how to write. Means I will write the whole letter. Okay, and means there should be a attention of write carefully. every word should be dictioned, and you can select a very important words and you can use in your writing letter. Okay, so thank you to join with me. Thank you to watch my video. Okay, and never forget to share this video among your friends, in your relatives also. Okay, so that they will be also benefited to see this or to watch this video. So I am very glad. It's my great pleasure that you are watching my channel so regularly. It is a great pleasure. It is your blessing to me that you are watching my channel regularly, and never forget to share this video. Share this video or send this video everywhere, in each and every corner of India, so that lot of the people and the students can be benefited. Okay, so thank you once more again.